Drop it.
What's going on, you filthy animals? Welcome to Monday. Let's jump into the chart really quick. All right, you guys know we have the additional 24 EMA, and this is definitely helping you out, right? Keeping you one out of chop, given that once the 13 and the 24 just sort of kind of like align, you know that the play is not worth it. Now, you could also see that consolidation here with thigh gap. We're trying to introduce as many observable indicators to help you from making stupid, rash decisions. Now, as it stands, we have a traffic light coming down to a level with Apple. We do have some separation between the traffic lights and the EMA. This should be fun. We are now flashing a put signal. We have the 3 and the 5 showing green with Apple. And, well, look what we have here. We have a possible traffic light to the downside as price action has broken beneath the 24. Let's get it. If your thigh gap doesn't look like this on the chart, you go ahead, go to settings, change your EMA to 10 and 13 for thigh gap, all right? So you got your fast EMA 10, your slow EMA 13, all right? That's all you got to do. Now, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. See what the SPY's doing? Okay, so on the 3-minute, the SPY has broken beneath its 24. You do have some levels here on thigh gap coming down to another level. The 1 showing red. The 3 looks like you could be printing a traffic light to the downside. And look what happens here. Again, this gives you extra confirmation. You come here, you get alerted, you get a traffic light. Boom, candle breaks, level breaks, money's made. Really that simple. No, T-Vine says, hi, Gabe. My thigh gap settings don't show RSI and RSMI at the bottom. Is that okay? You probably don't have, that's interesting. You probably don't have the latest charts here. Maybe you got to go ahead and update your charts. Now go back to the masterclass tab in the Discord and get the new chart. Wasn't the 1-minute light? Well, if you're going to front run it here, because you were highlighted, you're front running, right? But you understand that your risk is the 13 and or the 24 once you get a break. There's a lot of ways to skin this cat. A couple of indications that lead you into this is 1, you get a reversal signal here on thigh gap. 2, you get an RSI break here. And then 3, you're coming into a traffic light. So all the under indicators, we get an MACD cross here as well. So all indicators were leading into this on the 1. All right. That's it. Let's see. What's good, Team Pepe? Good to see you. What is good? How's it going? Let's see. All right, moving along. What else do we have? Let's go ahead and look at the traffic lights. Oh, by the way, guys, I got something to tell you. Right? We got new engines, a new engine, new server. Yes. We got a new engine and a new server for the Speed Racers on the 1. And Speed Racer 1, these alerts have been on the money. Let's go ahead and confirm that with Nvidia. Let's go back to the chart here. Nvidia 1042. Let's go ahead and look at this with Nvidia. How many of you are playing Nvidia, huh? Did you need that soundboard? Okay, so you got the alert on candle close. This is interesting. So you got the alert and you see where price action is relative to the 24 and the 13 here, okay? Now, what this tells you, essentially you could use the 24 as a level, okay? You really could use it as a level and be like, all right, I got the alert, I got the traffic light. I need to see a little more separation from the level here. And boom, now you get a bounce, right? But you also have this indication right here, possible reversal, RSI coming into its moving average, and you got some flashing here on the MACD. Of course, you apply the logic of the 3 and 5 that are both bullish, so the bearish sentiment does not quite exist. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 3 and see if we can better understand what's happening on a 3. The 3 is showing us some weakness as well. Okay, so maybe the 1 is front running. Let's go ahead and look at the 5 here. We could see the 5 some ways away from the 13. You do have a level here on the 5. This is something to pay attention to. Let's go to the 1 minute. You have a level right here. So as we are seeing lost momentum, just don't like it. Don't like it, man. You got that reversal candle here signaling on thigh gap, and you got an RSI above 50, looking like it wants to recapture that moving average. At best case, just a sideways action. At worst case, like, go ahead, secure your profit if you are in fact in profit, even if it's like 0.01%, okay? But this is sideways action here. The last chart from yesterday, the thigh gap inputs were saved with different values and showing different than what you were showing. That's why I asked for the default values earlier. Thanks. All right. Well, you got the default values here are going to be 10 and 13. All right. So that's all you need. Now we do have price action coming down to a level here. Man, this one is tight. This one's super tight. Hey, Gabe, really like that Shuhari ideology last week. I have been through that progression with music and see how similarly it relates to my trading journey so far. Thanks for sharing that, brother. Tori, you're absolutely welcome. Tori, you're absolutely killing it, too. And you know what? As long as you go through that progression, and don't beat yourself up, but again, with music, right? So, Tori, I'm also a musician, right? There's rules to chords and, obviously, you have to follow rules with music, right? Only then do you become like, I don't know, Wynton Marsalis or, somebody like that, right? Just someone of epic levels, and they get to go ahead and bend things a little bit, but that's pure mastery. Until you guys have pure mastery, there's no bending of the rules. You simply follow, develop the skill sets, and then pure mastery. Mozart's another great example. Hold on. Gabe, you have a SoundCloud? No, I don't have a SoundCloud. No. I mean, maybe I should have a SoundCloud with my sound bites. Like, got him! Okay, moving along. Damn SPY. Let's check out the SPY here. Nvidia paid. SPY is paying. You have the 200 EMA right there. This is to be respected. Holy hell. Interesting. And we're breaking right below. And then we have a blue pill line here. Me personally, given where RSI is at on the 1 minute, having broken that 200 level, don't fuck around, find out. Take your money. Just take your money. You have the 5 here. What is the 5 doing on the SPY? The 5 is coming to its 48. Broke through the 13, broke through the 24, hanging out at the 48. You have another level at 409.46. This could get interesting, but you know what's even more interesting? Securing them gains in the port. You get an entry right here. You come on down. That's $1.31 on a Monday. Who doesn't like making money on a Monday, baby? I think I have my aha moment. It's starting to click for me. Manny, that's awesome. That's awesome. I usually have my aha moment on my last pump. Ugh. Oh. All right, back to the chart. Let's see AMD 1 minute light. Let's go ahead and check it out really quick. AMD 1 minute. Let's see what we got. Traffic light coming on down. Breaks to 24. Flirting with the 48. You do have a level right here at 95.75. RSI pitching up. Sort of kind of flat. Coming on down. You do have a level here with thigh gap. Now your entry. This could have been filthy. Maybe this is a little too soon. It comes up to a level and then you get that rejection from a level. You get RSI breaking right here, coming on down. All right. That this might be a little too soon, but we have the MACD crossing here, crossing to bearish territory. This could get interesting. Traffic light, blue pill line. Secure the bag if you're questioning everything. You get a break of this blue pill line. You use 95.77 as a level to protect your profits. And there she goes. She's like, yeah, I don't want to be a chip company anymore. Okay. And Daily Taylor says, thanks for sharing your homework, guys. Really, really good stuff. And because of that, I will be giving out $100 or maybe even $200, maybe even $300, who knows? But somebody's getting it. All right. AMD printed, made you money. Traffic light. Here, 44 cents. Quick scalp. Who likes money? I do. You do. Everyone does. Price sensitivity since breaking this level here. Be careful. Do we have another level on the 1 minute anywhere near here? Let's see. Not quite. But let's just look at the 3 here. What's happening at the 3? This could be really, really interesting. Really, really interesting. You have a possible traffic light printing on the 3 minute, right? But guys, these gains, look at these gains. Look at these gains. They're yummy. Yummy gains. All right. Also, guys, another quick announcement here while we're at it. As you guys can see here, you could now directly from your account go to subscriptions, and from subscriptions, you can get masterclass, right? It will do all the auto crediting, auto calculating, all of that nonsense for you. And I do advise that, okay, so Andy says we could get the traffic lights to the broader community after we beat the shit out of the server, test it out. So, ladies and gentlemen, it could be tonight at 4. It could be tomorrow morning, or it could be Wednesday. And then masterclass prices jump and they go up to $1,799. And you know what? That's what is that? That is a 20% increase at or about maybe 30% increase from the current price of $13.48 for 3 years. It is major savings, especially if you're taking your trading career very seriously. Go ahead, lock it up, learn and profit. Really, really simple stuff. You know, we try to tell you guys, and oftentimes like, hey, upgrade before we raise the price. And then when we raise the price, people are like, hey, wait, you got promo code? Sorry, I missed the deal of the century. Well, this is another deal, and Diana will not be supporting you on this one. So if you're going to fuck around and find out, go fuck around and find out. Go lock it in, $13.48. You could do it once again right from platform. As you can see, just go to account here, from account, go to subscriptions, and either update payment or get masterclass. You can do that. Don't get left behind, man. There's no reason to get left behind. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. What are we doing? SPY, are you making me money? Oh, SPY is making you a whole lot of money. Way to go, traffic lights. Way to go, traffic lights. I wonder if your favorite YouTuber alerted you on this candle here that you could make so much money. So much money. That's a $1.74 move as it stands right now. Man, you're just making so much cash. They might as well call you a castronaut. Yeah. Can I get a Diana Nvidia? Of course you can, Nvidia. You sick fuck. There you go. One more time.
Nvidia.
All right. You good? You all set? Got your Diana fix? Let's go. Let's move it along. All right. Let's see what other alerts we have. Ladies and gentlemen, our alerts are proprietary. Don't fuck around and find out. More importantly, you can go ahead, try for 5, and then lock it in at 69 as well, because we're going up to $99. Can't tell you when, but listen, we're like that abused freckled redhead with no ass who finally has discovered her worth after her BBL, and because of that, we have to raise the prices. Okay, moving along. Let's go back to the chart here. Well, not the chart, the alerts. We got AMD coming down at 1050. That was our last alert. Let's go ahead and look at AMD. AMD coming on down. We got a put signal. You got your alert at 10 close. You got the close. See, you see the candle here. You get the close. You're playing this here, right? You get your breakthrough, the 200. You get your put signal. And you got the 1 and the 5 saying it's red. You got the 3 disagreeing. You got this level here at 95.78. This is basically a level where you probably want to go ahead and protect your profits. Yes, you should. You got a reversal signal off the gap, RSI coming into its moving average and wants to break over 50. Looking at the 3-minute, you don't want to really fuck around and find out. You're also at a level here in the 3-minute, and yeah, RSI coming right back up. Looking at the 5. The 5 is like, wait up for me. Getting that possible reversal here on the MACD with our side breaking above 50. You know what? You bet your ass this is going green. So here we are in a 1 minute. Don't fuck around, find out, secure the bag. You guys already know how to secure the bag. You should be securing the bag within 5 to 7% increments. Really, really simple stuff. All right. Let's see. 6.7% on the port for the day and walking away. There you go. Winning loser. Good shit. That's what we like to see. Tori says, same to you, Pepe Silvia. All right. You guys are, you got some circle jerking going on over there. Check it out. Coupon $5 first month. Let me prove it to you for 30 days. I can help you change your life. All right. You just got to be willing to listen. Willing to listen. All right. Moving along. Let's go ahead and see if we have any more alerts. Any more alerts? No, nothing since AMD. So we're going to go ahead and hang out with the SPY. All right, here we go. SPY. What are we doing here, baby? SPY, consolidating. It is consolidating. Look at what's happening here. You got some weakening here of the bearish momentum. You got the reversal signal on this candle. You got RSI very much oversold. MACD weak bearish. Traffic lights. You got the 5 flickering. You got the 1 and 3 still red. You got an RSI break of its moving average. Then you know what's going to happen. She's going to come right back up to this level. You got that consolidation. Uh-oh, Shaggy? You don't want that. You don't want that, right? You don't want the SPY to scare you, okay? You want to go ahead and take that money. Now, Speed Racer isn't showing up for me. If you are not the broader public, you do not get Speed Racer just yet. Wait for Andy. Didn't know Shazam's song was Eye of the Tiger. Eye of the Tiger, dum, 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 dum. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so 13.52% on the port today. Woo! You're making bank, bro. Make that money, take that money, keep it moving. 13.52%, don't give it back to the market. You get to go ahead and flick your left testicle for the rest of the day, right? And just tell your wife how stressful your day was. Now, if you happen to be a woman, you could go ahead and flick your bean too. I don't know, call Taco Lori. Okay, back to the chart. Let's see. Sorry, I killed Tesla and SPY this AM. Now I'm bored. Okay, so that's cool. Let's see how you killed Tesla and SPY this morning. Tesla. Oh, boy. Traffic light came on down. Paid you. Lovely. Broke all levels. Dope. Yeah, monitors in the background go night-night. It is what it is. I gotta play with the sleep settings. Let's see. QQQ. Let's check out the Qs. What did the Qs do? The Qs gave you a traffic light, also printed, now got consolidation. You guys are making bank. What the hell's wrong with you? Don't be greedy. Take your money, be out. Listen, Linda, listen. Okay? This is how you go ahead and play. You got a traffic light here on the Qs on the 1 minute. Hits a level, 83 cents. Cool. Traffic light here. You enter on the next candle. Let's see here. Hits a level, 32 cents. Cool. Traffic light gets you chopped out here. All right, you're resting. You go ahead, take this traffic light right here, maybe here. You go ahead. That's a 81-cent move. Then you got this traffic light here. Maybe you want to play a retracement here. Come on down. That's $1.63. You guys are printing. Monday has been filthy for you Xerox printers. I'm absolutely excited for you guys. Absolutely excited. First day trying a new thigh gap and made 10% on the port. What? Taco Lori? 10%? Can you please be my sugar mama? Please, I'll massage your fat toe. Okay, anyways, back to the chart. Let's go. What are we doing here? Let's make some money. Whoa. Let's see. Wasn't sure if there was something I was supposed to download or something. Well, yeah, it's the new chart actually. You know what, guys? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and make a copy. Actually, no, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this URL. Let me go ahead and copy the URL. Wait, hold on. I'm going to bring the camera back to me so I do not mistakenly show the URL to non-masterclass members. How you doing? All right, so now we're going to go into Discord. And for those who want to be sure you have the latest chart, I'm gonna drop it here, right? Master level update, app master. There you go, your chart. It's there. That's your chart. Go get it. All right, done. Gabe, the values of thigh gap were different. That's why. Yeah, that's it. So we've updated the chart for you guys. Just go ahead and download it, and you're all set. Right now, back to the chart here. Oops, we're gonna F11 it, and you guys didn't see that. I hope not. Okay, so the new chart is almost as good as tacos. Brian, what's up? Yes, we're gonna keep it rocking, man. Taco says the new chart's almost as good as tacos. Ah, yes, it is. Okay, let's go ahead and see what other alerts we have here. Nothing. Wait, do I have to refresh this? You're going to make me refresh this? And then hit the F11 key? No, we still got nothing on Speed Racer 1. Okay, let's see Speed Racer 3, 1057 on Nvidia. Let's go ahead and look at Nvidia on a 3-minute. How you doing, Nvidia? One more time for the guys in the back who got nothing else better to do.
Nvidia.
All right, traffic light here, 1054. We got it on the close. Oh. Wait, that was 1057. Wait a second. Right, candle close. This closes at 53. Wait, this closes at 57. You get alerted right here. Oh, not bad. I like this. Andy, good performance. I'm just checking your work. Making sure these alerts are on point. So far, so good. All right. Let's see. Speed Racer, again, you got to wait for it. Wait till Andy drops it. Okay. Yes, if you are a lifetime, you get it. If you are 3-year, you get it. It's in the master tab, okay? Moving along. Andy, I'm proud of you. If you're in the chat, if you're in the stream, it's for the new settings. The link is for the new settings, all right? The link that I just sent you, and I put in the master chats for the new settings. Does Structured Lifetime get the new chart? No. Does not. Not yet. Maybe not for a while. Let's see here. 1 second, guys. Let's see. Nvidia doing its thing. I'm liking it. Wait, we have a 5-minute traffic light printing. Okay, this is good. Use 1348 on UVXY this morning and into green. Brian Pachangaro. Good stuff, brother. Okay, let's go ahead. I want to check these alerts here. We got the timestamp at 11, so you should have got it at 11:06 on the 5-minute. Where's Nvidia? Wait. Nvidia traffic light on the 5. Waiting for this to come through. I'm waiting for the Nvidia alert to come through. Unless Nvidia is not on this list, which would be interesting. Either way, Andy, pay attention to that. The 24 has been added to the general chart, and it is handy. Absolutely, it is handy. Handy. Let's see. Moving along. Let's see. Let's go back to Speed Racer 1. We got Netflix moving on up. Let's go ahead and check out Netflix, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure I gotta type this right. Netflix. Netflix moving on up. Traffic light to the upside. Okay, this is interesting. Was there a level anywhere? Where did it? You could say that it found sensitivity here. That's your level of sensitivity. And the traffic light down. EMAs are really, really, really tight here. The 24 and the 48 right there, right? You see how thigh gap brings you down right about here, and then it starts flickering around, right? So these EMAs, again, being super tight, could often lead to sideways price action, right? I probably won't fuck around and find out just yet. I want to see this play develop on the 1 minute. Looking at the three is still... Three is showing more of like some sideways action between the 24 to the 48. You see how we got a braid here, right? If we go to the 5, we can see more of the same. Go to the 1. Oh, I was on the 5 the whole damn time, right? Sorry, guys. But yeah, so the 3 and the 5 show that this is some consolidation here. You also have a level here on thigh gap. And RSI is pitching down, although MACD looks like it wants to pitch up, right? So if you're in on this traffic light, maybe jumped in a little earlier, I would say, like, be careful. I would say be careful with this one. You got a nice EMA braid here, but you do have a level here, right? I'm waiting to see if the gap actually breaks this level at 0.0731, right? If it comes back and closes back to the 24, I would just go ahead and close out this play and save that dry powder for another play on another entry, right? So this is basically what you're looking for right now. So the RSI is still above 50. Cool. You get a break through these EMAs. Just close your play. There's no reason to absorb that emotional damage. Morrow, they're supposed to be 10-13. We don't want the 24-52. I brought it back, right? It's just easier to manage. Plus, we have the 24 with the assist, so we don't need the 24-52 because we already have the 24 EMA on the chart. Okay, cool. Now, as we said here, it couldn't break this level at 0.0731. You got your first flicker of a reversal signal. And again, the EMAs are just way too tight for me, right? So, yeah. That's the beauty of the 24. Let's see. If that's the SPY, I guess you can expect that from Netflix. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let me do something really quick here, guys. And let's see. Okay, moving along. Up 20% on SPY contracts. Up 28% and done for the day. Whoa! Look at that. Let's go ahead and look at SPY. SPY decided it was just tired. Look at that death. Look at that SPY death. Oh man, look how beautiful this is. Look at the 5. This is a thing of beauty. The reversal, how it brings you into the traffic light, how it gets you below the levels. This is beautiful. Good stuff. Really, really, really good stuff. And it looks like she's still going down after consolidating and then said, hey, she wants more blood. As it stands, like, I just don't know what to tell you. Go ahead, as it's progressing through the levels. Let's see if we find another level here. We do. We could actually bring the level down here now, right? So you want to protect your profits at 408.78. If it goes ahead and breaks this level, okay, 408.78 is your new level to protect the profits. Let's see. Junior, good morning. What else are we looking at? Let's look at Yeah, Netflix, we already covered that one. AMD, covered that one. Looks like the market has made its move. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, go on over to your account, go on over to subscriptions, and then get Masterclass and upgrade. Get the charts, get the 9:15 early morning AM Masterclasses full of levels and trades that you could execute. Secondly, gain access to the Masterclass series on Wednesday nights with STV. Thirdly, you get access to the Masterclass series on Sundays. By the way, the Sunday no Masterclass, it's Easter. We don't do that, okay? All right. SPY really wants to come down to this level. This is wild. SPY just on a moon mission. Well, no, an Earth mission. Just dying here. A reverse moon mission. Okay. Any tickers you guys need me to look at? Maybe BABA. Let's go ahead and check out BABA. And BABA is just doing some sideways action. Again, guys, you could see how tight these EMAs were, right? And then you get some separation. Then it tighten up again. And then you get your reversal. On the 1 minute, seems obvious. On the 3 minute, seems really, really obvious. On the traffic light, making that move to the downside. Beautiful stuff. 15% on Nvidia. You're welcome. It's an Earth mission. Yes. We're coming back to Earth here, huh? That's what it looks like with the SPY. An Earth mission. Look at that. 15% on Nvidia. Man, you guys just love you some Nvidia. Look at that move here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Look at that move. She's bouncing off this level. The boring trader, I'm assuming you saw some sensitivity here and said, nah, I don't want to fuck around and find out. She came all the way down, made you some bank. Good stuff, man. All right. What else are we looking at? Do I have to pick them for you? Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. 100% secured that bag. Absolutely. Now we have a whole lot of levels here on Tesla. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the drawings. It's fairly obvious to see Tesla brought you to a level and paid. Then it gave you another traffic light and paid. Then it brought you back up to a level and paid. Then it gave you another traffic light and paid. This is easy stuff, guys. As long as you respect traffic lights and levels, you should be done. Okay, Tesla just making all kinds of money. Now, if you played the 3 minute, you got the 3 minute traffic light, and you could see that the 10 EMA just did not flirt with the 24 whatsoever. So, I mean, this is a solid traffic light. That's a $6 move. Holy hell. We have proven the traffic light concept over and over and over. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign up for $5, secure your place, and the opportunity to lock in your monthly subscription at $69. Otherwise, it might go up to $99. We haven't really figured that one out. But if you want to take advantage of the 3-year before we jump up to $17.99, do not delay, do not procrastinate. There's no better time than now to start learning, start earning, and start beating the markets, all right? Let's see. What else do we have? We got to go back to these alerts. We have Netflix down after Netflix up. Let's see. Blaze disbelievers in 1348. Love to see it. Now, the 1 minute traffic light down. This one, again, tough one. It's a tough one. Because of these EMAs, it's just so tough for me. Really, really tight here, right? I don't like this sequence. You can certainly scalp it, but probably not worth the risk. Boyle shares deteriorate like a lot. I like puts on this bad boy regularly, small amounts though. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Boyle. Oh, okay. Boyle doesn't really meet my threshold. It doesn't meet my threshold. 325. How liquid is this thing? What are the spreads? What are the option spreads? Again, you guys can see You got consolidation right at 50 on the thigh gap. You could see how the EMAs are just super, super, super tight. Okay. Um, Inevitably, paid, right? So you can take this to a level and then you would get chopped here on this exchange. That's fine because then you're able to play this all the way down. All right. Uh, Notice the new chart with things that are different than yesterday's release. Just download the new chart. And you'll see we updated the settings back to 10 and 13 on the thigh gap. Okay. Um, let's go back to the SPY, see what she's doing. Yeah, SPY came down to a level, now consolidating at this level. All right, guys, you know what to do. What do we have to do now? What do we have to do? All right. Yes, secure the bag, take profits. Secure the bag and take profits. All right, Tesla ready to roar. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla. What are you doing? Tesla. Here you go. RSI on the 1 minute breaking. This could be interesting. A traffic light to the upside with RSI above 50. You have a change of momentum significantly. You got price action breaking the 24. There's a whole lot to see here. You do have a level at 195.59, so this could be a quick scalp before it turns into a reversal. Remember, we're looking for the base hits. Base hits are highly probable, right? So that's what we're looking at here. Let's check out the 3 minute. The 3 minute RSI breaking above its moving average. I personally would like to see the RSI start marching on up as well on the 3 minute. Let's check out the 5 and the 5 breaking its moving average as well. So this could be Tesla forming a sandwich and moving sideways, or this could legitimately be a reversal. Again, playing this reversal on this candle, there goes your entry. We have a level right here. Let me draw it out for you. That's your level at 195.56, right? You have some ways to go before you even hit a thigh gap level, and the MACD has made its cross. This is interesting. This is interesting. Let's see. Let's see, Tesla. Even though the 3 and the 5 haven't caught up yet, right? We do have the daily light saying it's green, meaning it's bullish. So, yeah, let's see. Looking at AMD. Oh, wait. Here you go. Tesla making that move. Tesla's trying, making that move. Let's go ahead and look at AMD while Tesla marinates. AMD had that cross right into a level. Man, good stuff. Really, really good stuff, right? The 3 and the 5 have yet to agree. Maybe this is foreshadowing what we're going to see with Tesla, right? So let's go back to Tesla and see. Very, very, very possible. Back to AMD. Let's go ahead and find a level on AMD. You are pretty much past this level here on the 1 minute. All things are looking pretty good and pretty healthy. You could expect a run to the level here, 96.14. Also, there's the 200 EMA at 96.21. Okay, so keep an eye on RSI and keep an eye on thigh gap showing strength with blue. Let's see what's happening on the 3. Oh, the 3. Oh, here we go. The 3 is contending with the 48. You want to see that break of the 48, okay? You want to see that break. The 1. Ooh, you break that 48. Yes, the 1's hitting that 200. Definitely. Bottom check the TQQ move using thigh gap and played the bounce up to the 13. Back secured. let's go ahead and see what you did, Tori. Good stuff, Tori. Okay, so bottom ticket, played the bounce right here. Wait, you played the bounce way back here? Is that what you did? To get you in right here? Playing this bounce? And you played it up to the 13 here? Is that what you did? Is that what you did? Nice. DC5 grocery getter. Yes, nothing but fire in here. Nothing but fire. All right. Make sure you guys, again, I'm going to show the banner right there. Boom. Right. $5 for your first month. We'll have a whole lot of fun helping you make money, giving you access to my alerts, giving you access to the masterclasses, giving you access to all things 1348 that will help you make money. All right. So let's see. What other alerts do we have on the 1 minute? Qs are coming up. Microsoft's coming up. Google's coming up. Tesla, AMD, Meta. All right. What do you guys want to look at? Let's see. Tesla reversal down. Really? I don't see a reversal down. Yeah. It got caught in the 24. Yeah, this is basically it. You get caught in the 24, right? So a reversal down, I'm not buying it just yet. RSI is right at, let's see, current value, just shy of 50. I don't know how to play this just yet. Maybe you want to play that reversal. You do. You got a quick scalp here to 193.83. Very, very possible. But these EMAs are so close and they're so tight. I'm not really liking it. I'm really not liking it. SPY trying to make this move on up to the 48 EMA. Nvidia, what are you doing here? Nvidia trying to do the same? Oh boy. All right, this is a game of patience. But if you're green and you don't feel like you want to be patient, secure the bag. Really, really simple. Nvidia up at 1122. That's right here. So you're entering here using the 24 as your support here with Nvidia. And it wants to make that move to the 200. And AMD still trying to march along, trying to hit that 200 level, going back to the 3. And we got a traffic light right at its 48 with another level printing. Go AMD, go. Go AMD, go. This is fun. So the 1 and 3 are now green. The 5 is still in disagreement. Let's see what's happening on the 5. The 5 trying to go green as well. Wait, the 3 is flashing a signal. All right, there you go, to the upside. Let's see. You do have some consolidation here on the 1 minute. I probably would just secure that bag right there, right? Down on a port by $20. Need to step away from the charts and rest of mind. That's all you need to do. Yeah, it's a consolidation here. Secure that bag. I'm not really feeling it right now, right? You already got a reversal signal now. So secure this bag with AMD if you're profitable and entered, let's say, on this candle or this candle. All right. What is the SPY doing? Is the SPY reversing? Need to take a look at this. No, the SPY is just hanging flat on the 24. Great way to stay away from sideways action, isn't it? Mo, congrats. Welcome for the first month for $5. Welcome. Guys, be a lot more like Mo. Mo, good stuff, man. All right, I am going to be signing out. We're approaching 11:30. Market's flat. There's not much really going on. You guys know how to play this. Be patient. Spy, just finding support on the 24. Mo, make sure you check out curriculum. Let me show you where you can find that. You just signed up. Curriculum is going to be found here. Once you sign up, you need to check out the 1348 strategy. This is the curriculum here. And then you get some options, guidance from STV. Then we got the masterclass replays, right? You get releases to the masterclass where you're going to learn a whole lot. I would advise paper trade, understand the concepts, and make your money. So we got Apple crossing up at 1124. Also, guys, take advantage of the opportunity to just really upgrade yourself, right? Get masterclass, gain access to the charts, 9:15 live streams, Sunday live streams, and STV's Wednesday night live stream. All right. So that's it. Boys and girls, I got to go. I got some adulting to do. Paperwork to file, blah, 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 blah. All right. So I will be making an announcement in the Discord. Peace out. Love you all.